Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for more new videos. Today's recipe is a very special chutney. The ingredients we need for that are a bunch of coriander leaves, 1 lemon, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, a bunch of mint leaves, 3 green chilies, 1 cup of tamarind paste. The dry spices are 1 teaspoon of red chilies, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies, 6 whole round red chilies, 1 tablespoon of black peppers, 1 teaspoon of carom seed ajwain, 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon of zira. Roughly chop all the vegetables and squeeze your lemon. First we will put all the dry spices to avoid the bits. Add lemon juice and tamarind paste. And blend them. Add garlic cloves and ginger and then blend again for a few minutes. Add rest of the vegetables and blend again. You can add water if needed. Now the chutney is ready. You can store this chutney for 2 weeks in refrigerator. This special tantalizing spicy chutney is ideal for your snacks, burgers, pizzas and samosa chaat. I'm sure you will love this chutney. See you again. Allah Hafiz.